Alright, so next up we're going to learn about the error object. So this is actually going to be a very short video. First of all, let me comment out everything that we did up here. Boom. So nothing will interfere with our code. Okay, so let's go down into our error object and I want to grab onto this button. So the third button. So let's say document dot query selector, and we're going to grab onto the third button, which has the ID of btn and _3, if I'm remembering it correctly. So let's add an event listener, and we want to listen to a click, and when this click happens, we will have go back in here. We have our error function, and this error function will throw a try catch. The catch will have an event of error and we'll catch something. So let's throw our error. And yeah, so what should happen when this error occurs? Well, the error object has three things. It has a name, it can have message, and a stack. So let's take a look into this. First of all, let's throw the error name. So we're gonna grab onto the error dot name. So let's see what happens. Let's click on the object. Book. Error reference. So that would be the name. Actually, let me do this without the name. So let's throw this. Error reference is not defined. Boom. Excellent. So we're going to go back here and type in the name of the error. So we only want to get the name. The name was error reference. Then we want to get the message. So alert. And we want to alert error dot message. And now we're getting, first of all, the name, then the message is not defined. And we also want to get the stack. So alert error dot stack. So first click, the name, the message, and the stack, which contains reference error is not defined, and also HTML button element, anonymous, blah blah blah. So everything. It also contains the, up here as you can see, the IP address and for where it came from. And also the app.js, it comes from app.js, the line 68. So right here. Okay, and as we know, it can contain everything. So if I would alert error and only the error, then we will first get error name, then the error message, then the stack, and the complete error itself. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for the object. As I said, this is going to be a really short video. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.